Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a rum punch tutorial. So of course you need pineapple rum. You're going to need some spiced rum. You're also going to need some light rum. I use Captain Morgan because that is what I had in my pantry. But you can use whatever light rum that you have. You're also going to need some orange juice. You know, I'm a broke hoe, so I got that great value. But you can use whatever orange juice that you have. You're going to need a lime. Make sure you take the sticker off. Don't be ghetto like me. Okay, I always forget. You're also going to need some pineapple nectar or pineapple juice. You're going to need some grenadine. And you're also going to need ice. So you see me pouring ice in my fish bowl. I like using fish bowls because if I want to add more liquor, I can. So just pour, some ice in. You can add as much or as little as you like. Next, you're going to add some grenadine. You're going to pour a couple splashes at the bottom. Because when you make the drink, you want to have like 3 colors. And I want the red to be at the bottom. Next, you're going to pour a shot of pineapple rum into the drink. You know, we're trying to get lit because we're in the house, on this damn quarantine, and I'm bored at this point, okay? Next, you're going to add a shot of the spiced rum, but if you're feeling a little spicy and you want to, turn up for real, add to it everything. I bet you're going to be asleep after this. Probably not. But, you're going to be a little lit. So I'm pouring in my shot of spiced rum. Next, you're going to add some white rum. Off camera, but I made this drink. And I made it for me and someone else. And I used coconut rum. That shit was popping. So add coconut rum if you have it too. Next, you're going to add a cup of orange juice for it to turn, orange and make it look real cute like a sunset. Give me sunset vibes. So you're going to pour it in. And then the next thing you're going to do is add some pineapple juice. You don't have to pour all the pineapple juice in the fish bowl. But I want to be extra and make sure that the color's changed. So I poured majority of it in it, but not really. Next, next I'm just showing you what it looks like before I add the fruit to make it look cute. But you see what I'm talking about? How it's like red, orange, and then yellow at the top, kind of like my Cheeto hair I had in the past videos. So now you're going to see after I cut up my lime how I garnished it, and it looks really, really cute. It looks tropical. Even my nail was matched. I should have took a picture like this, but, it's hard. So I'm just showing you what the drinks look like. Okay, so I didn't do an intro, but you guys have to make this damn drink. Like, y'all. This shit tastes better than what you get at the fucking bar. This drink is so good. I wasn't even going to record myself because I look hurt right now. I told y'all in the last video, I got this Halloween ass wig on. But this fucking drink here, this shit right here, listen. I be out doing my goddamn self. Like, girl. You know the fuck what? Y'all gotta make this drink. If I don't promote no other drink, which I promote all my drinks, but this one right here, bitch, you know, outbid your motherfucking self for this one, okay? Yeah, I like this stiff ass Bob ain't moving nowhere. But it's okay though, it's okay. This is the quarantine ugly look. But anyway, this drink here, you guys have to make it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this drink video. If you don't share nothing else, share this drink video because this drink is bomb, okay? Bye, y'all.